Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, the incident takes place in Indianapolis, where a man was simply doing his job when police suddenly stopped him, claiming he matched the description of a suspect in a domestic assault, a crime he had absolutely nothing to do with. And what makes it worse? This wasn't the first time he's been harassed like this 3 days in a row, all because he was just walking down the street, looking for the ice cream truck. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about this encounter in the comments below.
All right, I'm recording. What's up?
That's fine. You're you match the description of suspect to look for.
A suspect for what?
Domestic assault. That's why you need to see your ID to confirm.
I'm at work. I don't have it on me.
Okay.
I'm right around the corner here working.
You have an Indiana ID card?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the best thing?
What laws have I broke?
You haven't. I'm investigating a domestic violence dispute. You match the suspect.
Where was the dispute? Where was the dispute at?
Need your last name.
Where was the dispute at?
Up the street.
I don't live around here.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You look like the person.
No, I don't.
How would you know?
Because I'm at work. I don't look like anybody that did anything.
I don't know you from Adam.
This just happened the other day too. I can show the videos on YouTube. Every time you guys see me walking, you stop me and say I'm at your description.
I know anything about you.
I'm looking for the ice cream man. Like, don't you hear the ice cream man?
I need your ID.
I don't have my ID on me. You want to come over here?
You give me 5 seconds. I take your information and confirm who you are. I'm out your hair.
Look, I don't.
What's your last name?
I haven't broken any laws.
I have the right to ask you who you are.
And I have the right not to consent to any searches or anything like that.
Okay, if you want to cooperate, that's fine. I'll detain you until I get another officer.
What would I be detained for?
580.
What would I be detained for? And I saw you. You was about to turn right there until you saw me bend around the corner and look for the ice cream man.
Right.
I'm looking for Mr. Frosty.
That's why I'm stopping you, because you look like a suspect.
What, gold teeth, tattoos? How about what's your name?
Officer Morgan.
And what's your badge number? Because at this point, this is harassment.
Talbot, Minnesota Street. I've got a suspect who matches the description.
At this point, this is harassment. This is like the third day in a row.
Okay, do you want to give me your last name?
For what?
I told you 3 times. You're going to cooperate.
What do I do? I haven't done anything. I don't live around here. I don't live nowhere right here. I live on Singleton.
If you cooperate, this will be over.
Look, I don't understand. Like, I have the right not to tell you my name.
Here's what I got. No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I have the right to remain silent.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You're not being
What's the rights?
Okay.
What first thing you say is what? I have the right to remain silent. Everett. Everett. I'm not scared of y'all, man. He's probably been down there the whole time watching me work. Are you talking about right down here? Everett. Have you been down here the whole time? So you seen me down here working the whole time then, right?
What's your first name?
Jason, Jayson. This is crazy. It's like 3 days in a row. Every time you guys see me walking, you stop me. I'm working just like you are. 112984. You can't have my social security number.
We're not asking you social security.
I don't consent to no searches, so please don't touch me. This is crazy. This is harassment at this point.
Okay.
I'm working right there. You seen me? I seen you guys down there with the ambulance and everything.
If I saw you, I wouldn't be.
Wasn't there an ambulance down there with a white minivan and like 3 police cars? I'm right there on the corner of Talbot and Palmer. I'm working on that house.
Whatever.
You guys love y'all. The IMPD is the biggest street gang in the state. I'm putting this to be on YouTube too. I know. What's your name and badge number? McFadden. What's your badge number? What's your name, ma'am? You guys have to tell me your name and your badge number. It's the law.
I got my name.
What about you, ma'am? It's the law. Can you tell me, please? I can't pronounce it. Okay, I'll come over here and look. What? I can't pronounce it. You guys like your jobs? You like bothering people that's looking for the ice cream man? Because I'm at work and I'm hungry and I haven't taken lunch yet? Did you guys go to lunch today? This is...
Here you go.
What is this?
My information. You said you want it.
I want your guys' too. Matter of fact, I want to talk to your guys' supervisor. And it's the way you have to call him out here. It's my right to talk to your supervisor.
Right. The number's not here.
No, I want him here right now. You have to call him here to talk to me. I know my rights. You have to call your supervisor out here. It's my right to talk to you. I feel like I've been harassed and wronged. I want to talk to your supervisor right now. No, I want you to call him right now. Man, I don't care. Call your supervisor. I feel like this is harassment. No, I want you to call you. You have to. If I request to speak to your supervisor, you have to call him out here. I know the law.
I don't have to.
I spent a lot of time in the law library.
Are you letting me talk?
Here comes some more. See, this is the second time this week, isn't it? This is crazy, man. At this point, I feel like I'm being harassed.
Guys, beat up his wife.
All right, but you know what? Tell this man I don't live over here.
Hey, that's not.
It's not me.
We know now. But he wants to talk to
Yeah, I want to talk to a supervisor. This is harassment. I don't care what description I matched. I'm looking for Mr. Frosty because I hear him. I probably done missed him because of you.
Hey, chill out, okay? Now don't keep running your mouth like this, okay? You were out of line last time.
I'm not out of line today. I'm walking looking for the ice cream man. He pulled up on me.
He's doing his job trying to find someone, okay?
I want to talk. I want your supervisor to answer my questions. This is crazy. What's up?
Crazy doing the job.
What's your job? To stop me every time you see me?
Here, I'll show you a picture.
I don't want to see a picture of him. I don't want to see a picture of him.
That's what you want an answer to your question?
I want to talk to your supervisor.
You want the answer?
Because I got the other video too, and this guy was just at my house the other day. Same thing. I got snatched up, slammed against the car.
Now you're being
See?
disorderly.
Here we go. Same thing the other
Same
night.
thing as last time.
Same thing as the other
You were
night.
being disorderly last
What's
time.
up, man? What's up?
Okay? So you were given a break last time.
What laws have I broken?
And when the officer explained them to you last time, what did you do? You said, I understand, I'm sorry. What did you say?
I'm not
What
sorry.
did you say? You
This
said,
is harassment.
This is what you said. I'm sorry, I'm a prick, that's the way I am.
Yeah, I am a prick.
Did you not say that?
Do you see why? I'm walking down the street looking for Mr. Frosty, and I got stopped by 4 police.
No, there's a guy that has dark hair, that has a beard, that just beat up his girlfriend down at 1500 Calvin. Okay?
And all of them saw me down there working.
Okay. But does he know this?
I told him that.
Okay, but does he
I'm automatically a liar because I don't have a badge. And y'all wonder why people do the shit to y'all that they do, man.
Really?
This is crazy.
You're really full of ignorance, aren't you?
No, I'm not ignorant. That's the thing. I'm not ignorant. That's the thing. I know the law and I know my rights.
He's not violating your rights, okay? He's making sure you're not the
It's my well. I want to talk to y'all supervisor, and that is my right. So can y'all call y'all supervisor? It's not my right to talk to your supervisor.
Talk to him?
Well, where's he at?
I don't know.
Hit him. That radio.
Okay?
This is crazy.
Okay, but this is crazy.
Oh, the video from the other night's going viral, by the way. It's all over YouTube.
That's fine.
You can't shine a flashlight in the camera today.
I don't care about that. I asked her to get the light on my face.
You shouldn't have tried to block it. This is my right too. I'm legally allowed to record you guys doing your job to make sure that you don't violate my rights.
You're absolutely right.
Am I detained or am I free to go? Because I'm done talking. All right, I'm done talking.
That's fine.
Well, where's he at?
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, well, let's wait for him then.
You can wait for him all you want. That's fine. This is getting old, man.
What? I'm working.
Okay, but he's also working.
Didn't y'all hear Mr. Frosty? That's why I bent the corner. I bent the corner because I'm looking for Mr. Frosty.
Okay.
Because I haven't took a lunch today and I'm kind of hungry.
That's fine. Okay, but he's also looking for someone who just beat up a woman.
So just out of coincidence, y'all looking for somebody to beat up a woman 2 days,
And as you just saw, this man never lost his cool. He simply stood firm and demanded that the officers respect his constitutional rights. The right to remain silent, the right not to be detained without cause, and the right to record public officials in public spaces. Once again, this video reminds us that knowing the law is the most powerful weapon against abuse of authority. If you found this encounter insightful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video so more people can understand their rights, and subscribe to the channel for more real-life First Amendment audits and citizen rights encounters.